This quick guide will teach you how to create an under construction page on Squarespace, whether you're updating your website, making some significant changes, or just need some time to get things perfect. Having an under construction page can be a great way to keep your visitors informed. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace interface. Once you're logged into your account and have your website open, head over to the website section in the main menu. From there, you'll find an option labeled Design. Click on Design, and you'll see another option called Lock Screen. This is where you'll set up your under construction page. Think of the lock screen as a temporary front page for your site while you work on updates behind the scenes. It's a fantastic way to maintain a professional appearance without having any visitors see your work in progress. Now, once you're in the lock screen section, you'll notice several layout options to choose from. Squarespace offers a variety of layouts, so take your time to look through them and consider which one best fits the aesthetic of your brand. The layout you choose will set the tone for your under construction page, so pick one that aligns with the style and feel of your website. It's important to maintain consistency with your brand image, even when your site is temporarily down. After you've selected a layout, it's time to customize the text. This is your opportunity to communicate directly with your visitors, so make it count. A simple, clear message is often the best approach. You might want to include something like, "The website is undergoing a system update." This lets visitors know that your site is currently under construction and not experiencing any technical difficulties. You can also include a brief note about when you expect to be back online or any other relevant information that might be helpful for your audience. While you're customizing the text, take advantage of Squarespace's editing tools to adjust the font style and size to ensure readability. Make sure the text stands out against the background, and consider adding your logo or any other branding elements to reinforce your brand identity. This level of customization helps reassure visitors that they're in the right place and that your site will be back soon. And there you have it. Your under construction page is now set up and live. Remember, keeping your visitors informed and maintaining a professional appearance during updates is crucial for maintaining trust and engagement. With Squarespace's easy-to-use tools, you can quickly create a polished under construction page that keeps your audience in the loop. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and happy creating!